Okay, just everyone open your physics book. Inclined plane. You all seen inclined planes. Okay. What is that inclined plane basically? Yes, Michelle.
Inclined it is kind of a slope and easily we can put a road and bridge from there.
Okay.
It is used to get happy. It is a flat surface.
Beta, first thing is that if you want to answer, just raise the hand. Then you will answer. Just wait. First point is that yes,
It has a slanting surface.
it has a
Slanting surface. Like
yes,
so.
means you can say slanting surface.
Like a flat sloping surface.
You can say slanting surface. Again, you are starting without raising the hand. Yes, beta. Used to lift objects.
Easy.
Used to lift
By weight.
heavy objects. You are lifting it, the object, or you are rolling it over the.
Rolling it. Yes.
Rolling the heavy object over the plane. Just wait. Lower your hand. I will ask. Lower your hand, please. Yes, beta. You are coming for the first time. Okay. Just tell me. Tell me one more part for inclined planes. One more part. You can read it from the book also. It is done. Used for rolling and it is easy. And one more point. Wait, beta. Yes, you tell. Huh? Yes. You should okay. It is done. Okay. Means you can say one end is higher. Then the other. Okay. Wait. Lower your hand, everyone. Means like that you are here. Okay. And this is your surface. Okay. And you want to lift or to make the things from this place to this place. Okay. Okay. So what you do? Just make a ramp or inclined plane. Okay. And you, any object you can bring here.
So I think from down to up it will take more. Yes, more effort.
Obviously, whenever a work is done against the gravity, okay, why you are feeling means fatigue or we can say difficult to we can say stay up. Why?
Because we are working against the
Against, and it is very easy to go down.
Yes.
Stairs. We are going towards the gravity, and we are doing against the gravity. Okay, in climbing, we can say. So this thing you can lift the object easily. Okay, with the use of this inclined plane. So the example of very common example of inclined plane is you can see ramp. You can see example ramp. Yes, beta. Wheelchair.
Wooden planks.
Yes.
Wooden planks.
Wooden planks, but wooden planks should be inclined. Then only. If it is a wooden plank, that is called inclined plane or not? It should be inclined. Then only it is called as. It can be and not. the important thing is that one end should be higher as compared to other. The main thing for an inclined plane, anything you make it inclined, this is the book, you make it as an inclined plane, just make one higher upper as compared to another one. Is it clear? So you can roll the thing easily up and roll it down easily. So in hospitals also, okay, you see ramp are there for some people disabled having some problems. Okay, it is difficult in climbing the stairs, so it will be very easy. Okay. Yes, this is clear. Inclined plane. I am telling you this thing that if it is mentioned in the test assessment or anything, okay, regard that you there is always necessary. If you think there is a need of picture or diagram, you should make yourself. Okay, it will definitely support the answer. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, inclined plane. Just read it. Inclined plane.
An inclined plane is a flat sloping surface with 109 meters length. It is much easier to roll or to smooth a longer standing surface than lifting them up vertically.
Beta, you understand yourself.
It is much easier to roll or to smooth up along a standing surface than lifting them up vertically. Therefore, inclined planes are used for lifting heavy objects up to a certain height. The effort applied is less, but it has to be pushed up along a standing surface for a longer distance, not vertically. The along determines how much effort is needed to raise the object.
Listen, the effort applied is less, but it has to be pushed up along the slanting surface for a longer distance. What does it mean? It means that suppose this is the place where you have to lift the thing, okay, and you are here, okay. In that comparison, this is lesser distance, okay, but when you incline or you put some plank, wooden plank, so this distance is greater as compared to this height. So this is written here. Okay, means the effort applied is less, but it has to be pushed longer. Advantage is there. You have to apply lesser force, lesser effort is there. But what is the distance? Distance covered is this distance is less as compared to this. Okay, so using inclined plane, what is the advantage? That effort is less, but distance covered is more.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is given. Yes, sir, continue. You sit down, you sit down. You continue.
Examples of inclined planes are given below. Wooden planks are used as inclined planes while loading and unloading trucks.
You all see something means when cars or heavy things, when a new lot of cars or bikes in showrooms, okay, so they use means steel ramp is there, okay, or you can say iron ramp which is very strong, otherwise it will broke. Okay, because the load of car and bikes are very high, very much, so it will break. So the iron ramp is there to slide down the things.
Inclined planes are used as ramps in hospitals to move patients using wheelchairs and stretchers. It could be extremely difficult to move these patients using the stairs. Ramps are also used in buildings to allow disabled people easy access. So done.
What is the advantage? Beta, I am giving you marks on your performance. This is keep this thing in mind. Okay, I will check the copies. Where are the copies?
Here.
Okay. I will check the copies, but final marks I am giving you all copies, performance, and everything. So be attended in the class. One day I decide and I'll ask you questions. On that day I'll mark you some points, some marks. Is it clear? So everything is very important. One thing, just you read very important point is this. Just read once again.
Examples of inclined planes are given below. Wooden planks are used as inclined planes by loading and unloading trucks. Inclined planes are used as ramps in hospitals to move patients using wheelchairs and stretchers. It would be extremely difficult to move these patients using the stairs. Ramps are also used in buildings to allow disabled people easy access.
Easy. Sit down. So what is the use? What is the use? Just tell me. You tell me, beta. What is? Yes, beta. You tell me.
Sir,
that need. Okay, so these are used in hospitals, or you can say these, nowadays ramps are everywhere for helping the people. Okay. Okay, so in bus stops you can see, you can find in railway station also.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so these are the things which are nowadays all present to help the people. Some because even they do not have some difficult disabilities. Even some older people are difficult to climb the stairs. Okay, so ramps are there. In listen, in homes also, what we that someone has a raised elevation. Okay, means door is just a little above as compared to the surrounding surface. You can see. Okay, so to put the bike or something inside the house. Okay, we need some ramp is there. Okay, so you can see it. So this is also an inclined plane. Is it clear? It means that means they helping the people. Okay, they are unable to climb, unable to say, so they got disabled. Now bank also. In short, we can say wherever public accessibility is more, ramp is there. Don't too much angle. Yes. The surface is relatively slow. Okay, the speed will be slow more, but will slide. What happens when for small kids, slide is there. Okay, by using again and again, what happens? There is a roughness in the surface. Okay, but it will slide due to inclineness without no effort is required. Okay, if some you just put the things, huh? No, in smooth, so depending upon the weight or depending upon the angle also. If angle is very means just like this, so it is difficult to slide. If you make it very inclined, that is very easy. Okay. So this thing is clear. Now another important thing which you all see in your homes, that is screen. Okay. Yes, beta. You read. Screen.
Screen is actually an inclined plane found into a spiral around a straight rod. The finding is called as
You can say inclined plane.
screen works with
Okay.
movement
Spiral. And yes. Yes.
Movement provided by a screwdriver. Actually, take rotational motion and turn it into vertical motion when you turn
Means?
the screw.
Repeat the line.
Actually, takes rotational motion and turns it into vertical motion.
Wait. This is very important. Rotational motion will. Rotational motion will.
And it will turn into vertical.
Means if you are this is your string. Okay. If you rotate it, what happens? It will go inserting in the surface. So vertical motion is there. Okay. If you put it like this and you rotate it, what happens? It will go inside. Okay. Okay. So sit down. What is the use of strip? You tell. Just lower your everyone lower your hand please. Yes. Hand. That is bad for using. Beta, if you are not concentrating, then you will lose the points. You will lose the marks. Yes, beta. Tell me. What's your name? Beta, why you not participating in discussion? Yes, beta. Two objects. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta, continue.
When you turn a screw, it moves down or up depending on which way it turns. Turning a screw is similar to pushing things up a spiral ramp.
It depends where we are rotating the screw. In backward or forward, means inside or outside.
If you have to move the object,
We have to turn and think.
and if you have to
Yes, continue beta.
turning a screw is similar to pushing things up a spiral ramp. The speed of lifting things straight up. It reduces.
You can say it is similar to spiral ram. What is spiral ram? Anyone see spiral ram?
That's sling.
That's thing. What's thing?
stairs.
Stairs and spiral ram is different. Yes, you tell. Where is? Sit. Some in beta sit. Sit you also please beta. Please sit. See spiral ram. Okay. Spiral you all know? Like this.
Yes, sir. Spiral
Okay. Some like spring. In Delhi and some metropolitan cities, spiral rams are there because a space scarcity of space is there in big cities. Okay, in some parking, I see also this thing. In some parkings, they use this thing spiral ram. Okay, okay. That will be spiral stairs. Okay. So this you understood means I see it for you. I use it for parking in Delhi. So spiral rams are there. You can see it. Water pools and all. Okay. So let's do it.
Example of the ingredient of a screw. Right from here it reduces a screw is used to hold rings together. Example to join two pieces of wood or in a screw cap bottle. A screw is used to raise a load. Example, a screw jack is used for lifting a car to fix a flat tire. A screw is used in light bulb holder, wrenches, earrings and cap
Bottle opener. What is this? Wrenches, bulb holder. Bulb holder, you can see screws are there. Okay. They are different type of bulb holders. Not this one only. That you just put it the bulb, press it and just rotate. And there are some also these having some means spirals, you can say threads. These are called threads. These things, suppose that this is your screw.
So the bulb is also like a spiral.
Okay.
Threads, which help it to fix.
These are called
Threads.
these lines. Okay. These parts. Threads. These are called shanks. That is not in use. Okay. Is it clear this part, this thing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You can draw the figure also in the test. Done. Now, a winding road used to go uphill rather than a straight steep one is also an example of screw. Now, another important thing is wedge. You all see in some YouTube or any media. Wedge, WDG. Okay. Just tell me this thing, then I will give you numerical also. Wedge.
It
Yes, you read. Yes. Read it in such a way that we will explain it. Sharish, how many copies are there? Yes. A little louder. A wedge is a set of two inclined planes.
A wedge is a set of two inclined planes that meet at a sharp or pointed edge. The force applied at the thin end is transferred to the thin end, piercing an object on which the wedge is placed. Unlike an inclined plane, which is stationary, a wedge does useful work by moving. A wedge can be used to hold things together or secure things from movement, as in the case of pushpin, cat, nail, or a rose. What's now what is pushpin? Safety pin.
Sharp or pointed edge. Pointed edge says a pointed edge. Pushpin, sit down. Please and hold also. And pushpin or is holding. Okay. Set of two inclined planes that meet at a sharp edge. This is very important. Okay. An inclined plane. This is an inclined plane, and this is also an inclined plane. Since they meet at this edge, so this is called a wedge. And here also one end is thick. The force applied at the thick end is transferred to the thin end. Okay, we applied. This is your thick end. This is your pointed end. Or sharp end. We apply force here, and it will transfer to this. Okay, this point. Sometimes you see these wood carpenters and wood cutters, okay, cutting the trees. They just put the wedge along the log, okay, or trunk of the tree, and they put X on it and it will split. And X is also an example. X means you can say. Knife, forks. Okay, so these are X. You can say these are the sharp parts. Okay, and when you blow it over the wood, it will split. Okay.
Say instead of thinking at the spin, you are talking of that. Instead of that pointed shape and thinking is that also very sharp.
Yeah. When you will take it, it will automatically take the shape of this wedge. Okay. How will you take it? One part is sharp and another is a broader side, and it will become a wedge because inclined plane. Okay.
Sir, our front teeth also.
Our front teeth also. Okay, is it clear? So these are about the simple machines, about inclined planes, wedges, and screw. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can I take the numerical?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The next one.
Sir, where we do? In the graph notebook. I always
I mean, I didn't understand the concept of rough and fair. Work is work. Means, what should I give you example? When you go somewhere, you are rough, and when you go somewhere else, you are fair. Huh? You are yourself, huh?
So, sir, we will do
Okay, you have to take it back and take it. Okay, you take it rough and then you will attach the page. Okay, is it okay then?
Yes, sir.
Or you will copy it again in the next. I will ask particular person, so no one start shouting. Okay. Then say like,
Sir, what is this written? The length of my
fountain pen.
was found. Sir, what is this written? 2B. Sir, what is
Beta, let me write. I will tell you.
my friend?
My friend also having everyone do it in your copies. Okay. The length of my fountain pen was found to be 12.5 centimeter. My friend also having another fountain pen whose length is 8.5 centimeter. Tell who has smaller fountain pen and express the answer in meters.
Sir, how much smaller is there? We have to write in meters or pull the
Okay. It is easy if you convert it both. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Convert all of these. Otherwise, yes, everyone completed?
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow you will have your chemistry period?
I don't know.
Okay. On Saturday, complete the work and submit the copy. On Saturday, chemistry copy.
On next Saturday.
Beta coming Saturday this week. Done? It is not so much difficult. That you are taking so much time.
question. Submit check. First question.
Check it once again. Is it correct? If I'll give you mark, then it will cancel. I will cancel it.
This answer is correct fraction.
Yes.
Is this answer correct fraction?
You have whatever be the length, which one is smaller. Okay, you see, compare it, which one is smaller. Okay, after that, convert it in meters. Yes, how many? Yes. Yes.
Sir, what have you written that? And the breadth is?
And the breadth is 35 meter. That is I am saying. That was I am saying earlier also. Beta, if you are seeing doing here and then here and then here, it takes time. I will take a margin here. Like good. You correct it or not? Beta, this what 8.51 divided by 100. This will be the answer. These are the small things. Means you know all the things. Means you know what to do, how to divide, but still you are doing wrong.
Second also done, first also.
It is not asked that how much it is smaller. Okay. Because you are still not doing. This is wrong. Next thing. Only one student done both the questions correctly.
Yes, sir, now see.
8.51 divided by 100. Do it properly and you will see the difference. Is it rough? 8.51 divided by 100. Okay. 1 0 this and 1 2 less. Huh? Means such small things you are able to do.
Yes, sir, understood. Sir, please don't do that.
Okay, I will give you another question.
Sir, please answer upward, not
Next period, inshallah, I will give questions and it contains some marks. And it will, that mark will be, I will be added to the test. Okay, that will show your class performance. Or that will marks I will adjust in the copies. Okay. Yes, beta.
Second question answer.
Yes, you. Done it or not? just you are unable to do.
Sir, simplification answers are
Sir, please take my second question. I think you have been very
1 meter has 1 centimeter.
Sir, please take my second question.
It is the important is that see everyone look. See, calculate the area of land whose length is what is it? Still you copied the wrong thing. This is what is this? 506.
50.6. Sir, whole zero was there right now.
Now you are able to see on the board also.
Sir,
The mistake which I was telling to you is that 17710. Okay, I am not taking it. Just what I want to tell you is that it is meter. Okay, if your answer is correct, I am told this several times. If still your answer is correct and you put the unit wrong, I will definitely cut it. It is she wrote meter instead of meter square. Shall it not happen? You are behaving differently online and you are behaving differently offline.
sir, please take my second.
Show the calculation, beta. Calculation, where you calculated? Look, one thing you want to do. Other things are not okay. Just put it as here, where it looks here, and do the things. Try to do the things. Done. Okay. Should I have it? Remember, meter is there, so meter get multiplied by meter. Okay, base are same, power will be added. You can say like this.
Meter square.
It will be meter square always. Okay, like in 2 into 2, you can write 2 square. It is 50.6. Wait, what have you you do the graph, please don't forget the other things. How to do 4 square? When the base are same, powers get added. If this is written like this, only consider it on this. What is the power of this number? No one meter. 1. Okay. When it is again 1. Okay. Base. This is called base.
Yes.
Power. Base are same. Power get added. What I will do? Yes, beta. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Sir, it is
Now
not
it is.
Sir, it is not
Then started.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Feeling hungry?
Yes, sir.